In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your limit in Sendwave. If you've hit a cap when trying to send money, the fastest way to unlock a higher limit is to complete verification inside the app. I'll walk you through every screen and share tips so you pass on the first try. Start by opening your Sendwave app and logging into your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and the app is up to date to avoid any glitches. Next, tap the menu icon or your profile picture to open your account options, then choose Verify Account. This process helps confirm your identity, meet regulatory requirements, and keep your transfers secure. Enter your full legal name and date of birth exactly as they appear on your identification. Match spelling, middle names, and order of names to prevent delays. Select the purpose of your account, such as personal remittances or family support. Be accurate and honest, then tap Finish. When the app prompts you, tap Continue to proceed. Choose your country. This determines which ID types are accepted where you live. Select the document you want to use, typically a passport, national ID, or driver's license. Then tap Continue, Continue again, and start when you're ready. Begin capturing your document. Place it on a flat surface with good lighting, avoid glare, and make sure all four corners are visible. Clean your camera lens and hold steady until the image is sharp. If the app asks for both sides, capture each side clearly. When it looks good, submit the photo. Now it's time to verify your face. Tap Start Recording to record your face, then tap Start. Keep your face centered, remove anything that could obscure it, and follow the on-screen instructions. Stay still until the recording finishes and you're done with verification. If prompted, add and confirm a payment method under Payment Methods. You can link a debit or credit card or a bank account. Ensure the name matches your ID and complete any quick authorization checks. After verification, open My Limits to confirm your higher daily send limit. Reviews can be quick, but in some cases, they may take up to a business day. If your limit is still low, open help or support in the app. Use the chat or email support to request a manual review and provide any supporting documents they ask for. That's it. Your Sendwave account should now be set up for higher limits.